Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, my name is Martin and I am originally from Hong Kong, and I was a private chauffeur there. I had to take care of my boss's classic cars, luxury cars and sports car. I moved to United Kingdom and had become a mobile detailer. If there is anything you would like to know about detailing or even test products, feel free to comment down below. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Not only this helps me, but also helps YouTube to know what your preferences are. Now back to the video.